What would a traditional piece of tap dance choreography be without a shave and a haircut to finish it off? So the shave and a haircut is really more about the rhythm than it is about the actual steps. There's a lot of different variations out there, but just know that this is not the only way you can do a shave and a haircut. Okay, we have one more thing to add on, and that's our big finish. And this is a combination, it's a famous tap dance combination. It's known as shave and a haircut. There's a lot of different variations out there. We are going to be doing one of the more typical variations. I'm also going to have it simplified for you too. Technically, it should start with a jump forward with both feet. And from here, you should do a double pullback into a cramp roll. And what that would be is basically you jump in the air, you spank your right foot on the floor, your left foot on the floor, you land on the right toes, you land on the left toes, you drop your right heel, you drop your left heel. So with the jump, I'm going to try to do this. I haven't done these in a while. It's something that's a little tricky for me with my injuries, but I'm going to see if I can do one. Oh, I left the heel drops off. That was a double pullback. So a single pullback, let me turn sideways, would be basically both feet at the same time, spanking and landing. That's your pullback, like that, except you should stay on your toes. Double pullbacks have 1 foot delayed, and then there's also one-footed pullbacks where you stand on 1 foot and do the pullback from there. Okay. You don't have to do the pullback. You can do just a cramp roll. So you would jump forward, and then you would jump back and do a cramp roll. All right, so you still get some nice 4 sounds. The pullback gives you a couple extra sounds, but if you're missing them, no one's probably going to notice, except for you and maybe some tap dancers who might be around you at the time. But again, you jump forward, and then your cramp roll or double pull back in. You're going to step right. You're going to click that left heel against your right heel. Use it to displace your weight to the left and slam that right foot to the floor. So all together, it's going to be jump, cramp, roll, step, click, step, slam. Da, 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 da. That's why it's called shave and a haircut. Let's do that again. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8. Bump, bump, da, da, bump, bump, bump. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, cramp, roll, step, click, step, slam. Five, 6, 7, 8. Bump, bump, da, da, bump, bump, bump. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, cramp, roll, step,